Solana is a blockchain platform that addresses the issue of scalability by prioritizing speed. It achieves this by implementing a unique model called proof of history. Founded in late 2017 by Anatoly Yakovenko, Solana introduced a novel timekeeping technique outlined in a white paper. Yakovenko's thesis emphasized that the primary obstacle to scalability in blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum is the low number of transactions per second, primarily caused by the time needed to arrange transactions in the correct order. To address the issue of time synchronization in blockchain networks, Anatoly Yakovenko introduced a concept called proof of history. This innovative approach timestamps blockchain transactions, solving the problem of time agreement. In traditional blockchain systems like Bitcoin, participants often need more precise synchronization, resulting in inefficiencies during transaction processing. Disagreements regarding the order of transactions can arise, leading to delays and complications. Proof of history helps overcome these challenges by providing a reliable and consistent timestamping mechanism for transactions on the network. In the past, centralized organizations such as Google have addressed this time synchronization issue in their databases by ensuring atomic clock synchronization across their data centers. However, this approach requires dedicated employees to maintain and monitor it, making it impractical for a decentralized blockchain network. Solana's proof of history introduces a solution to this problem. In Solana's network, each block can be accurately timestamped using the verifiable delay function. This function incorporates an input into each SHA-256 record. SHA-256, which stands for Secure Hash Algorithm 256, is a widely used cryptographic algorithm in blockchain technologies like Bitcoin. It ensures the security and encryption of data. Hashing involves processing block data through a mathematical function, resulting in a fixed-length output. By leveraging the verifiable delay function and SHA-256 algorithm, Solana's proof of history enables precise and consistent timestamping of blocks, eliminating the need for centralized time synchronization efforts and ensuring data security within the network. Proof of history introduces an additional input to the hashing function as a timestamp signature. This timestamp signature is universally recognized within the Solana network, ensuring all participants operate in sync with a decentralized clock. This synchronization is a key distinguishing factor of Solana compared to other networks. Using a proof of history allows nodes in the Solana network to create the next block without extensive coordination with the entire network. This is possible because nodes can rely on the trusted timestamp and ordering of the messages received. This feature significantly enhances the network's scalability, enabling it to handle an exceptionally high number of transactions per second. Solana's blockchain generates a new block every 400 milliseconds, equivalent to 0.4 seconds. This implies that the Solana network produces 2.5 blocks per second. Remarkably, Solana can handle 50,000 transactions per second, with the potential to scale up to 700,000 transactions per second. However, the current limitation lies in hardware capabilities. In terms of transaction costs, Solana's website indicates that each transaction carries a fee of $0.00025, making it significantly cheaper compared to Ethereum. It's important to note that transaction fees are determined by the number of transactions that can occur within a given time frame. When blocks are created frequently, accommodating numerous transactions, the competition to secure a spot in those blocks diminishes. Consequently, this results in lower transaction fees. Therefore, Solana's scalability enables higher transaction throughput and reduces the need for substantial transaction fees. The SOL token currently has a circulating supply of 395.77 million tokens. This token serves multiple purposes, including staking and paying transaction fees. The maximum supply of SOL tokens is capped at around 547.58 million. Like proof-of-stake models and networks like Cardano, Solana allows users to stake tokens and earn staking rewards. While Solana incorporates proof of history to enhance transaction speeds, it is essential to note that Solana's consensus mechanism is primarily based on proof of stake. Consensus mechanisms form the foundational framework for any blockchain, enabling nodes to verify transactions. Proof of history in Solana is designed to complement and enhance the performance of its proof-of-stake consensus mechanism rather than serving as the core consensus algorithm itself. Regarding tokenomics, the initial coin distribution of Solana had the following breakdown. 37% went to initial investors, 38% were pre-mined rewards, and the remaining 25% were allocated to the founders. Per information provided on the Solana website, the 3 launch private sales included a 9-month lockup period. These tokens were expected to become tradable around January 7, 2021. Since that date has already passed, it is worth noting that despite the end of the lockup periods, the price of Solana has not experienced significant fluctuations or drastic drops. This could be attributed to stakeholders' strong faith in the Solana project or the attractive rewards offered through staking. The token price stability after the lockup periods may indicate continued confidence and support in the Solana ecosystem. Solana offers a further distinctive feature in that validators on the network face minimal barriers to entry. Validators play a crucial role in verifying transactions on a blockchain and are typically rewarded with tokens for participating in transaction verification. On specific networks, becoming a validator can require a significant investment. For instance, in Ethereum, a solo validator must stake 32 Ethereum, valued at over some $1,000. In contrast, Solana does not impose a minimum requirement for becoming a validator. However, it is essential to note that the computer specifications needed to serve as a validator on the Solana network are akin to those of a high-performance supercomputer. While no monetary threshold exists for becoming a validator, the hardware requirements necessitate powerful computing capabilities to fulfill the role effectively. The Solana website outlines hardware requirements for becoming a validator, including 128 gigabytes of RAM and a CPU with at least 12 cores. Meeting these specifications would involve a significant financial investment, as server-like hardware is typically expensive. This implies that not everyone can quickly become a validator on the Solana network. The demanding hardware specifications serve as a natural barrier to entry. Currently, the Solana network comprises approximately 3,400 validator nodes, but it is worth noting that the development team themselves owns a substantial portion of these nodes. This fact has led to concerns regarding the decentralization aspect of Solana, as the level of control held by the development team raises questions about the network's actual level of decentralization. Let's delve into the compatibility aspects of Solana. Like Ethereum, Solana allows developers to create decentralized applications, dApps, and smart contracts on its network. This compatibility has contributed to the recent increase in the price of the Solana token. Notably, FTX, a derivatives platform, has announced the integration of Solana into their NFT marketplace, which has further propelled the token's value. Regarding compatibility with other networks, Solana stands apart regarding programming language. While platforms like Ethereum utilize Solidity, Solana employs the Rust programming language. Consequently, Solana may not be fully compatible with Ethereum-based applications. However, a new bridge called Wormhole addresses some compatibility issues between Ethereum and Solana. This bridge seeks to facilitate interoperability between the two networks. Solana is actively working towards introducing additional innovations to its blockchain. The specifics of these innovations can be found in the comprehensive list provided by Solana, demonstrating their commitment to advancing the capabilities and features of the network. Before considering investing in Solana, several factors must be considered. Here are 4 important considerations. 1. Max supply. The limited max supply of Solana is an appealing aspect for potential investors. The inability to create additional Solana tokens out of thin air helps maintain the coin's value. 2. Diversification. If you are interested in investing in a smart contract platform other than Ethereum or Cardano, diversifying your portfolio with Solana could be a strategic move. Solana's impressive transaction speeds make it a natural choice for those seeking an alternative platform. 3. Proof of history. If you believe that proof of history is a groundbreaking solution for addressing inefficiencies in blockchain technology, investing in Solana could be a play focused on supporting this innovative approach. 4. Market considerations. Assessing the current market conditions is crucial. Solana has experienced significant price surges recently and is approaching all-time highs. Before investing, it is important to consider whether you expect the price to remain high, increase further, or align with your long-term investment goals. Conducting thorough research, evaluating the technology and market conditions, and aligning your investment strategy with your long-term goals is vital to making informed investment decisions. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, Subscribe to our channel for more content in the future and hit the notification bell to stay updated.